أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Baqarah, Ruku number 4, Para number 1. So let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wa is and when Qala said Rabbuka your Lord lil malaika to the angels, Inni indeed I am ja'ilun going to place fil ard in the earth Khalifa a vice grant. Qalu they said Atajalu will you place fiha in it man yufsidu fiha one who will spread disorder or corruption in it, وَيَسْفِكُ الدِّمَاءَ and will shed blood, وَنَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ while we glorify you with your praises, وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ and we sanctify to you. قال he said, Inni indeed I am a'lamu I know ma la ta'lamun what you do not know. وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا and he taught Adam the names of all them. ثُمَّ عَرَضَهُمْ عَلَى الْمَلَائِكَةِ then he displayed them to the angels. فَقَالَ أَنْبِئُونِي بِأَسْمَاءِ هَؤُلَاءِ then he said, inform me of the names of these all things, in kuntum sadiqeen, if you are truthful. Qalu subhanak, they said, glory be to you, la ilma lana, there is no knowledge for us, illa ma allamtana, except what you have taught us, innaka antal alimul hakim, indeed you are the all-knowing, all-wise. Qala ya Adam, he said, O Adam, ambihum bi asma'ihim, inform them of their names. Falamma amba'ahum bi asma'ihim, and when he had informed them of their names, Qal, he said, alam aqul lakum, did not I say to you, Inni a'lamu, indeed I know, ghayb as-samawati wal ard, the unseen of the heavens and the earth. Wa a'lamu ma tubdun wa ma kuntum taktumun, and I know what you reveal or disclose and what you conceal. Wa iz qulna lil malaikati isjudu li Adam, and when we said to the angels, وَإِذْ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ and why when we said to the angels, prostrate to Adam, فَسَجَدُوا so they prostrated, إِلَّا Iblis except Iblis, Abba he refused, وَاسْتَكْبَرَ and was arrogant, وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ and became of the disbelievers. وَقُلْنَا يَا Adam and we said, O Adam, uskun anta wa zawjuka al-jannah dwell you and your spouse in paradise. وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا and you both eat from it freely. حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا from wherever you both wish. وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةِ but do not approach this tree. فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ lest you both be of the wrongdoers. فَأَزَلَّهُمَ الشَّيْطَانُ عَنْهَا then the shaitan made them slip from it. فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا and he got them out, minha from what kana fi they were in it. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, اهبطوا, go down all of you. بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ, some of you to others عَدُوٌّ, as enemy. وَلَكُمْ, and for you, فِي الْأَرْضِ, in the earth. مُسْتَقَرٌّ is a dwelling place. وَمَتَاعٌ إِلَى حِينٍ, and a provision for a period. فَتَلَقَّى آدَمُ مِنْ رَبِّهِ كَلِمَاتٍ, then Adam alayhi salam received some words from his Lord. فَتَابَ عَلَيْهِ, so his Lord turned towards him. إِنَّهُ هُوَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ, indeed he is the oft returning to mercy, the most merciful. قُلْنَا اهْبِطُوا مِنْهَا جَمِيعًا, we said, go down from it, all of you. فَإِمَّا يَأْتِيَنَّكُمْ مِنِّي هُدًى, and when some guidance comes to you from me, فَمَنْ تَبِعَ هُدَايَ, then whoever follows my guidance, فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ, so there is no fear will be on them. وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ, and not they will grieve. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, and those who disbelieved, وَكَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا, and deny our signs, أُولَٰئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ, those are the companions of the fire. هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ, they will abide in it forever. صدق الله مولانا العظيم.